One of the problems of airdrop is we don't know the ones that we cook, we don't know the ones that we pay, and the ones that are actually scams. Why it is important to do many airdrops as possible? It is also important to consider a lot of things before you do any airdrop. I've spent close to 3 weeks doing research about potential airdrops, and in this video I will give you 4 airdrops that can pay you $100 to $1,000 or even more if you do it the right way. The last airdrop I will mention in this video is a bombshell supported by Elon Musk, and I'll give you a proof of it. So without further ado, let's jump in. If you have seen me for the first time, I'm Jemreje. I am a gold trader. I teach people how to trade forex and crypto, and also I give people updates about airdrops. So if you want to learn trading and receive more updates including crypto news and airdrop, make sure you click the subscribe button and join our community on Telegram so you can be able to receive more trading guides and more airdrops. So right now, let's jump in. The fourth airdrop here on our list is Cat's airdrop. If you have not started it, now is a good time to start it. It is not late yet. So if you have not started, you click the link in the description of this video. It will bring you to the Telegram bot. Once you are here, you will receive some rewards instantly. You can also complete tasks and earn more cards. If you go to the task button, you see a lot of tasks that you can complete, and you also see the ones that have completed. Here's how to complete some of the tasks. Click join, click the task, come back and click check. If you completed the task successfully, you will get some card points for it. Now if you go to the avatar section, this is a place where you can create your own card and receive some rewards for it. But as you can see, it is still coming soon, which means this airdrop is not ending now. So use the link in the description of this video, and you can also find the link in our Telegram community. Okay, so if you have not joined this airdrop, now is a good time to join it. Number 2 airdrop is Moonberg Airdrop. Now here is how to join Moonberg Airdrop. First, you click the link in the description of this video. It will bring you to the Telegram bot. Now you will receive some points for daily login. If you have a Telegram premium account, you will also receive some points for it. You can complete tasks to earn points. If you go to the task section, you will see a lot of tasks that you can complete and earn points instantly. You will also get points for your Telegram account age. So if your Telegram account is maybe 1 year old, 2 years old, you can also receive points for it. You can get the link in the description of this video, and you can also get the link in our Telegram channel. This is a new airdrop, and if you start now, you will be among the early adopters who will receive huge reward for it. So the second airdrop is Blum. Blum spent nearly up to $1 million giving free dogs to everybody that participated in dogs airdrop. And recently speaking, Binance Labs invested in this Blum project, which means when this token goes public, it has a high percent probability of getting listed on Binance exchange, which is a good news for every airdrop farmers. So if you have not participated in this airdrop, you can still participate now. It's not a new airdrop, but it is not too late to jump in. So you click the link in the description of this video, and it will bring you to the Telegram bot. First, go to your wallet and make sure it is connected. If not, connect it. It is simple. Okay, so go to the end interface and complete some tasks, including watching their YouTube videos. Here is how to complete the task. Click start, complete it, and claim your reward. It is simple. If it is a X task, you can follow them on their X handle. If it is a post something, you can post it, just come back and claim some points. Now you can complete other tasks, which include watching some YouTube video and following other airdrops. Now you can log in daily to get free game points. You use these free game points to play games and earn more points. It is very easy and it is very simple. So you can get the link in the description of this video, and you can also get the link in our Telegram channel. So here is the bombshell. The number 1 airdrop supported by Elon Musk is Black Meat. Here's a post by Elon Musk. He said, "Impressive AAA game from China. Seems oddly familiar." This is a new airdrop from China. Elon Musk posting about this project means that Elon Musk is supporting this project. so don't fade it. Okay, so it is simple. It is very simple. All you have to do is to come back every 5 minutes or less to claim points. Log in daily, claim points, and refer your friends and claim points. It is simple. So to participate, click the link in the description of this video. You can also find the link in our Telegram channel. And once you are here, click claim. You can come back every 5 minutes or less to claim again. Make sure you join that channel for updates. You click this and join their channel, then come back. You get bonus for every login daily. So make sure you stick daily and log in daily. You can also invite your friends and earn 10% for what your friends get. 5,000 points for you and your friend, and 25,000 points for Telegram premium users. So this airdrop is cost you can't afford to miss. This blacksmith has 90% probability of paying well because it is supported by Elon Musk. So if you have not participated in this blacksmith airdrop, you can get the link in the description of this video. Don't forget that airdrops will not make you rich. Trading and investing will make you rich. Airdrops is just a way of getting capital for investing or for trading. That's why I focus on doing video about trading and airdrops. So if you want to receive more videos about trading and potential airdrops, make sure you click the subscribe button, like this video, and join our community on Telegram so you can get notification whenever I drop a new video like this. For now, goodbye, good luck.